Matthew Brake. I'm Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering at Rice University. I teach solid mechanics here, so I teach the students the theory behind stress analysis, stress, strain, all these concepts, but the students don't really get an opportunity to see it in practice. With the HIT 300s though, we decided to integrate this into our experimental portion, so the labs that the students go through, so they can make direct connections between everything I'm teaching in the class and then the next day coming into the lab and actually getting to experience it in real time and see all these principles that they've just learned about the theory behind in practice. We have about 70 students per year. By having 6 of these units, the students can each go in and individually run the test themselves. So they're getting that hands-on experience and have it being unique.
My name is Denizhan Yavaz. I'm a teaching professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department at Rice University. Students are using these instruments for measuring mechanical properties. This is useful for them to compare microscale properties with macroscale properties. This is easy to use. They can place the sample in the sample holder, and they can adjust the indenter head, and they can adjust the load time, unloading time, hold time, and by this way they can investigate different parameters and their effect on the measurements. That's also quite helpful for them to understand the entire process and perform very complex nanoindentations using these instruments.
One reason why I specifically looked at getting the HIT 300s for our lab is that it's the experiments that the students will be doing in industry. Our previous experiments are great for teaching the theories, but they're pretty much removed from what the students actually will be doing when they go off to industry or they go off to their next job afterwards. By having something that's relevant to the actual skill set they're going to be using when they graduate, I think that's really positioning our students to succeed and makes them even more employable than they were beforehand. It's almost foolproof, right? It's designed that we can have students working with it, that they're going to be able to use it and abuse it, and it's not going to break down at the end of the day. So it is by far the most robust system that we've got for the students to work with.
I would recommend HIT 300 for undergraduate teaching because these systems are fully automated and undergraduate students can easily handle the entire process and measure very complex mechanical properties at microscale.
When we were looking to upgrade our mechanics lab, I thought about all the different companies that I had a chance to interact with over the years, and Anton Paar really stood out as a company that had a really solid reputation, and they'd also been engaged with us through different activities we'd had here on campus and other conferences. So they came to mind pretty quickly and made it a pretty easy decision to reach out and talk about what opportunities could they have to help us with creating this new lab.